Hello everyone. 4x Income welcomes you in today's video, which is all about how to start an AI-based clothing business for growing your passive income. In this video, we will provide a step-by-step guide towards starting your own business. Step 1. Open Google and browse Canva. Then open the first link from the extracted resources. Canva. With a user-friendly interface and a wide range of customizable templates, makes designing easy and accessible for everyone, regardless of their design skills. Step 2. Enter Canva account details. Here, you will have to sign up if you do not have an account, otherwise, sign in with an existing account. This step is required to save and download your customized designs. Step 3. Search sample t-shirt designs. Canva provides multiple predefined samples for t-shirt designs. You can select any of these designs or you can design your own by opening a blank t-shirt design, which will provide your canvas on another tab, and here you can starting designing according to your needs. At this canvas, you have multiple options of left side and from where you can add anything by just drag and drop feature. Step 4. Search for sketching art in browser. In this step, open another tab and search for any sketches you want to apply on t-shirts. For example, let's search for pet sketches and open the Google image section. Here we have multiple sketches which we could modify further according to our desire. Let's choose this sketch of cats. Just use Windows snipping tool and take a screenshot of selected sketch. Step 5. Remove background of selected sketch. Now, this is the most important step of today's tutorial, which incorporates AI in our t-shirt designing business. Hence, here we will remove the watermarks and backgrounds in a matter of seconds. So, open another tab and type Remove BG in the search bar. Then from the extracted search results, click on the very first link and it will open our AI tool. Here we will upload our selected image and it will start processing to extract our desired region. So, you saw the magic? Our required image is ready for further use. Now, download this picture at your desired location. Step 6. Upload desired sketch. From the left pane, select the Upload option and upload your sketch by clicking Upload Files button. Step 7. Make required design modifications. Once the sketch is uploaded, you can drag and resize it by just using one click. You can make simple modification by using predefined filters and adding desired text on the t-shirt design. Step 8. Download final design and print on t-shirt. Once the t-shirt design has been completed, click on Share button on top right corner and select the download option. Here, Canva by default provides the required resolution for printing high-resolution pictures on t-shirts. At the end, click Download button and starting printing your t-shirts. That's all. If you are still here and saw the complete video, then you are skilled enough to start your own AI clothing business. Sounds exciting? So, please stay tuned. Like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for more exciting updates.